Welcome back in this section that is extremely important for the look of the smoke, how it is going to look. So this is a simulation versus look. Now let me tell you one thing, that shading is you can change it later on also. Like shading is, there is no simulation involved in it, right? So simulation is a different thing. We need to make a cache to see that thing. But shading is real time. You can do it any point of time and it is fixed. There is no need to cache this out. First thing, right? So that means is what, you are good to go to make a cache, because of shading has nothing to do with this caching thing, right? You can do it later on also. Now drop of shape is like, I don't need any drop of shape. Like whenever you are using this, we are creating an artificial kind of fall off in the origin of the simulation. So drop of shape has to be off all the time, and the color is white in this case. It's no problem. And incandescence means the fire. I don't have any fire. Now we have this opacity. Opacity we can make it 0.2. This is like input bias kind of thing. Like it will make the smoke a bit more puffy, right? And also you can change it later on also, but not now. I'll show you. If it is needed, then I can change it. And we have this like lighting. You can shelf shadow. We have here light brightness, make it 0.8, and like I have subtract 0.2, right? So I need to have that 0.2 in here to get some bluish tint in my simulation. So because of this is not for real lighting, right? This is not at all real lighting. This is only for hardware shadow, means the viewport lighting, right? So only for the play blast, how it is looking before rendering. This is how you can check by these things. But shelf shadow is important, but this look is not that like this is not the final one, right? And we have got everything we need to have in this container. Okay, right? Save it. And this is what you need to have for shading. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you that how you're going to use that emitter, fluid emitter. Not like we have two kind of emitter. We have this particle emitter, we have fluid emitter. So we are going to use fluid emitter, but this is the also a very important aspect of this kind of simulation. All right, so see you in the next lecture that how we're going to use this fluid emitter